Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Learn English with Bonaj. Aha ni kuri Iga Icyongereza na Bonaj. Today we are going to learn prepositions of place. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga indangahantu zivuga ku hantu. Uheruka, recently we learned about prepositions of time. Twari twize indangahantu ariko zivuga ku gihe. And today, different story. Prepositions of place. Indangahantu zivuga ahantu. That's what you are going to learn. Nibyo tugiye kwiga. Turuze gusangamo under, in front of, in the front of, in back of, na in the back of, dusangemo next, beside, ndetse n'ibindi. That's what you're going to be learning. Before we dive into the lesson of today, I want you to know that we can teach you via Zoom, wherever you are. Aho waba uri hose tukwigisha kuri Zoom. We have wonderful lessons just waiting for you. Dufite amasomo meza cyane agutegereje. If you are in USA, Canada, Europe, or any part of the world, and you feel like you want to learn with us, we can teach you via Zoom. Uri muri Amerika, muri Canada, muri Europe, n'ahandi hose ukeneye kwigana natwe, tukwigisha kuri Zoom. Okay? Iyo umaze kwishyura amafaranga akenewe, tuguha link, iyo link niyo ukoresha uri kwiga, tukagukurikirana. Waba uri umutangizi, waba urimo hagati, waba ushaka kuzamura icyongereza cyawe, I'm telling you, we're just here for you. We even have books. Dufite n'ibitabo bitandukanye byagufasha kuba wakwiga. Iyo bikeneye uratubwira. If you need one of our services, you can let us know on 07802931112 or 0728000427. Ukeneye imwe muri services zacu wakoresha izo nimero tukagufasha. Enough for introduction. Now let's dive into the lesson of today. Reka twinjire mu isomo ry'uyu munsi. Let's learn prepositions of place. Tugiye kuba twifashisha amashusho ndetse n'interuro bidufasha kumva indangahantu ziranga ahantu. Let's do this. Alright, we are going to learn prepositions. Tugiye kwiga indangahantu, but prepositions of place. Ariko izo tugiye kwiga ni indangahantu zivuga ahantu. Ubushize, mu isomo ry'ubushize twize prepositions of time. Twize indangahantu zivuga ku gihe. Now today we are going to deal with the prepositions of place. Here we have the girl is beside her mother. Biravuze ngo umukobwa ari iruhande rwa mama we. This beside bivuze iruhande rwa. The girl is beside her mother. Okay? These are prepositions. Iyi beside ni preposition of place iranga ahantu. The girl is beside her mother bivuze ngo umukobwa ari iruhande rwa mama we. Dushatse twanavuga ngo the girl is next to her mother. Umukobwa ari iruhande rwa mama we. Bivuga tugakoresha beside cyangwa se tugakoresha next to. Ahari beside twayikuraho tugasimbuzaho next to. The girl is beside her mother biravuze ngo umukobwa ari iruhande rwa nyina cyangwa se rwa mama we, cyangwa se the girl is next to her mother nabyo biravuze ngo umukobwa ari iruhande rwa mama we. Beside na next to ugahita umenya ko bisobanura kimwe. Dushatse twanavuga ngo the girl is near her mother. Umukobwa ari hafi. Niya bivuze hafi. The girl is near her mother. Dukoresha her kubera ko ari igitsina gore. Iyo tuza kuba dufite umwana w'umuhungu twari kuvuga ngo his. Aho hose dufite her twari gushiraho his. Dufata urugero, dufite akana k'agahungu kitwa Peter. Niko turi kuvuga, twavuga ngo Peter is beside his mother. Hano hari hato dushiraho his, nito dufite umuntu w'igitsina gabo. Peter is beside his mother, cyangwa se Peter is next to his mother, cyangwa the boy is near his mother. Okay, tuhita dushiraho his nituba dufite umuntu w'igitsina gabo. Nizire ko ubimenye, umenye ko beside, next to na near bivuze iruhande. Near ni hafi, beside ni iruhande na next to ni iruhande. Next is between. Between tuyikoresha tuvuga hagati y'ibintu bibiri, cyangwa se y'ahantu habiri, cyangwa se hagati y'abantu babiri. Icyo gihe dukoresha between. Katie is between her brothers. Bivuze Katie ari hagati y'abavandimwe be. Katie is between her brothers.
Wait, my friend. Wait. If when you are speaking, you feel like you don't have enough words to use to express your ideas, niba igihe uri kuvuga ujya wumva amagambo akubana make yo gusobanura ibitekerezo byawe cyangwa utambutsa ubutumwa ushaka gutambutsa, this is a book for you. Iki gitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Icyongereza, English and Kinyarwanda dictionary. I'm telling you, this is a book that you will thank me if you get it. Iki gitabo nukibona uzanshimira. Next one, we have this book here. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogue cyangwa se ibiganiro. Igitabo cy'ibiganiro cyagufasha kuba watambutsa ubutumwa ku buryo bwiza cyane, kuko harimo topics zitandukanye, ndetse kuri buri topic hakaba harimo dialogue eshatu zigiye zitandukanye zagufasha kuba waganira n'abantu. Izi dialogue zirimo zisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda, hakabamo irregular verbs, hakabamo phrasal verbs. I'm telling you, this is a book that you need. Iki ni gitabo ukeneye. And here with me again, I have another book. Mfite ikindi gitabo hano cya understanding verbs, cyo gufasha gusobanukirwa inshinga. Iyo dusobanura ibikorwa tuvuga byose ni inshinga burya tuba dukoresha. If you need to understand verbs, this is a book that can help you. Kirimo regular verbs, ndetse kuri buri nshinga hakabaho urugero kuri buri nshinga. Ikindi nanone kiyongera ku iki gitabo harimo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, hakabamo na modal verbs. Modal verbs ni inshinga z'icyiciro cya kabiri dukoresha twunganira. Of course, n'icyiciro cya mbere auxiliary verbs nazo zirimo zisobanuye neza. Nanone hakiyongeramo 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'icyongereza. If you need one of our books, you can just let us know. Dufite n'ibindi bitabo. Dufite igitabo cy'abatangizi, dufite igitabo kirimo interuro 5,000, tukagira igitabo kirimo phrasal verbs. I'm telling you, dufite igitabo kirimo grammar. If you need one of our books, just contact us. You can get our number and let us know. We can help you to get the book. Let's continue the lesson. Reka dukomeze isomo ry'uyu munsi.
Next one is the girl is far away from the house. Uyu mukobwa uri kumubona ahantu ari kure. Far away bivuze kure. The girl is far away from the house. Biravuga ngo umukobwa ari kure y'inzu. The girl is far away from the house. Umukobwa ari kure y'inzu. Far away bivuze kure. The next one is on. On ni hejuru y'ikintu. The glass is on the table. Bivuze ngo ikirahuri kiri hejuru ya meza. The glass is on the table. Mu mwanya wa on twanayikuraho tugakoresha on top of. On top of na on byose bivuze hejuru y'ikintu. Twavuga ngo the glass is on the table, ikirahuri kiri hejuru ya meza, cyangwa tukavuga ngo the glass is on the top of the table, cyangwa tukavuga ngo the glass is on top of the table. The glass is on top of the table. Next preposition ni under. Indangahantu nivuga under. Under bivuze munsi. Under. The square is under the triangle. Iyi square niyo turi kuvuga. Iba square ifite impande enye zingana. Vangu ruhande nuru byose iyo bingana tuvuga square. the square is under the triangle. Triangle ni impande eshatu, bivuze ngo iyi square iri munsi y'iyi triangle cyangwa se y'impande eshatu. The square is under the triangle. Under bivuze munsi. Iyo dukurikijeho ni above. Above yo bivuga hejuru. Okay? The square is above the triangle. Turabicuritse noneho square igiye hejuru. Iki gihe turavuga ngo the square is above the triangle. Iyi mpande enye iri hejuru ya mpande eshatu. The square is above the triangle. Around ni ikintu kizengurutse cyangwa se gikikije, nibyo tuvuga around. The circle is around the triangle. The circle is around the triangle, bivuze ngo uyu muzenguruko uzengurutse ukikije mpande eshatu. The circle is around the triangle. Noneho tugakoresha in back of iyo ari inyuma ya, in back of cyangwa se behind. The couple is in back of the car. Bivuze ngo iyi couple iri inyuma y'imodoka. The couple is in back of the car. Bivuze iyi couple iri inyuma y'imodoka. The couple is in back of the car. The next is the couple is behind the car. The couple is behind the car. Iyi in back of na behind byose bisobanura kimwe, bivuga inyuma. Bivuga ngo aho wakoresha in back of na behind byose ni kimwe, wakuraho imwe ugasimbuzaho indi. The couple is in back of the car cyangwa se the couple is behind the car. They are the same. Next one is in the back of the car. Twayikoresha tuvuga yuko umuntu ari inyuma mu kintu. The child is in the back of the car. Bivuze ngo ari inyuma, hari abicaye imbere, hari n'abicaye inyuma. Rero umwana we yicaye inyuma. The child is in the back of the car, nabwo twayikoresha. The child is in the back of the car, bivuze ko noneho umwana yicaye inyuma mu modoka. Noneho in front of ni imbere. The man is in front of the car. Umugabo ari imbere y'imodoka. The man is in front of the car. Umugabo ari imbere y'imodoka. The man is in front of the car. In front of ni imbere ya. Okay? Okay? You are in front of me. Bivuze ngo uri imbere. Okay? Next one is the driver is in the front of the car. Uri kureba hano dukoresheje the. Hano umenye kubitandukanya. In front of the car ni imbere y'imodoka. In front of the car. None dushizemo the. In the front of the car. Icyo gihe uba uri mu kintu. Nkuko turebye neza naha twavuze the child is in the back of the car. Umwana ari inyuma mu modoka. Umwana ari inyuma mu modoka. Ubitandukanye no kuvuga ngo the couple is in the back of the car. In the back of the car ni inyuma y'imodoka. Noneho in the back of the car ni inyuma mu modoka. Okay? Naha the man is in front of the car. Umugabo ari imbere y'imodoka. The man is in front of the car. Next, the driver is in the front of the car. Bivuze ngo umushoferi atwaye yicaye imbere mu modoka. Yicaye imbere mu modoka. Niyo turi kongeramo the. The driver is in the front of the car. Okay. Next one is twavuga ngo the letter is in the middle of the circle. Iyi nyuguti, iyi H iri hagati mu ruziga. The letter is in the middle of the circle. The letter is in the middle of the circle. No. Iyi nyuguti iri hagati mu ruziga. Next one is twavuga ngo the star is, tugiye gukora practice kwitoza. The star is between the triangles. Hagati, kuko twabonye ko ikintu kiri hagati y'ibintu bibiri dukoresha between. The star, inyenyeri iri hagati muri mpande eshatu. The star is between the triangles. Hano twavuga ngo the star is above the triangle iri hejuru, kuko iri hejuru ya triangle. Inyenyeri iri hejuru ya mpande eshatu. The star is above the triangle. Hano twavuga ngo the star is below, is under the triangle. The star is under the triangle. Inyenyeri iri munsi ya mpande eshatu. Hano twavuga ngo the moon. Hano twavuga ngo ukwezi kuri kure y'isi. Twavuga ngo the moon is far away from the earth. The moon is far away from the earth. Bivuga ukwezi kuri kure y'isi. The moon is far away from the earth. So this brings us to the end of our lesson. Ibi bitugejeje ku musozo w'isomo ryacu uyu munsi. These were prepositions of place. Indangahantu ariko zigaragaza ahantu. Twabonye n'indangahantu zivuga ku gihe. So I want to encourage you to keep revising and share the lesson to someone who you know wants to learn English. Niba uzi umuntu ushaka kwiga Icyongereza, wamusangiza iri somo. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you next time.